Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zelle limits review with Chase Bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the Chase mobile app installed on your device. Open the Chase app and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the option labeled Zelle, which is typically found under the Pay and Transfers section. Tap on the Zelle icon to enter the Zelle interface. Here, you can review the existing limits that apply to your Zelle transactions. To view specific limits, look for a section that states Zelle limits or something similar. Be aware that limits can vary based on account type and any promotions that may be active. If you need to change your transaction limits, head to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, you may see options related to payment limits and preferences. Select the option that allows you to adjust your limits, if applicable. Keep in mind, adjustments to limits may require verification for security reasons. Verify any necessary details when prompted to ensure your identity is confirmed. After completing the verification, you can set your preferred limits. Review the changes before confirming, ensuring the limits meet your needs. Once confirmed, your new limits will be updated in the system. You should receive a notification indicating the successful update of your Zelle limits. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Chase customer support for assistance. Remember to periodically review your limits, as they can change based on bank policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.